Hello everyone and welcome. It seems like yesterday we came back from our cruise, but it's been a few months already. I loved our cruise, I love being on a cruise, and I want to share with you some smart packing tips and ideas. Today we are diving into the ultimate packing guide, focusing on makeup and some nifty things that I picked up on Temu. And plus I'll show you some ideas about how I pack my makeup and what kind of makeup I love to pack. Okay, let's get started. When you're setting sail for a relaxing cruise, the last thing you want is cluttered makeup case. And I used to take with me huge makeup cases, and it was so uncomfortable to dig into this big makeup case looking for some lipstick or lip pencil or eyelid pencil. And then I started to think how I can still use my favorite makeup, but how not to take so much with me. And that's what I want to share with you, what I came up with. So first thing I want to show you this organizer. It's for makeup brushes basically, but I already showed it in my previous video when I was packing for my cruise. So I ordered it on Temu. I've seen it on other videos, or people were showing it and they were loving it, and I was looking at it and I'm thinking like, I have a makeup case, and it's like, do I really need it? And it was kind of like, is it worth the money? And then I saw it on a Temu and I thought, you know what? I'll order it. And when I was ordering it, I thought it's like something, little, but it's big. It's good quality. I already used it a few times on our different travels. What I love about it, first of all, it's big. It fits a lot of makeup brushes. See, there are like special pockets for it. Also, there is space, and I fit there my lipstick, my eye pencil, my mascara, something also thin, but also can fit in there. And then you close it. Sometimes I put there something, it doesn't need to be closed all the way, but it's still closing. So, and when we are somewhere in our destination in the bathroom, I just open it like that and make sure that you can see it, right? And you don't need to unload it. That's what I love about it so much. It just, you put it on a vanity and this is it. I don't know about you guys, but I love to use makeup, and I always pack something separately in my suitcase, and something I pack in my bag with me that goes into the airplane or in a car if we travel by car. So, but it doesn't have to be, again, bulky. So this I bought some years ago in a duty-free store. This is from the Estee Lauder, but like I said, I bought it some years ago. I don't know if they're still making it, but I'm sure some other makeup companies make something like that, similar to that. It's like a travel makeup case, and I love it. But because it's been with me for some times, so there was a mascara. It's already gone. Here there was mascara. So there are some nude eyeshadows. some lipstick. Love the color. So there is the blush, and then you can move, and there is a little bit of powder and a little brush, but I take a small brush with me as well. And also you can take this off completely, and it opens like that. See? It's been with me for some years. I love this case and I'm using it a lot. So I don't know if they selling it only in duty-frees or you can find it online, I'm sure, but I highly recommend to have case like that, and then you don't need much to take with you, maybe just some sunscreen or something else. So recently also I started using more e.l.f. product, and I also love it, and it's also perfect for travel. There is some example. I bought this eyeshadow palette. It's like my favorite, nude, a little bit on the pink side. It has everything. It has sparkles, it has like darker for eyeliner. It's perfect, and see how small it is. And for example, if you want like nude day makeup, you just use palette as it is. But if you want something for evening, brighter and more sparkly, you just need to make your brush a little bit moist, and then it becomes and if you use like eyeshadow with sparkles, there will be more color and more like shine. I love this palette. Another my find from e.l.f. is this contouring palette. I started using contour just recently, and so I'm still playing with it. But again, I love the size, and if you like using it, it's great to take it with you in your makeup bag. Another thing I got interested in is the Korean makeup. I know that Korean cosmetics is great and lots of people loving it and using it, but they also like have really nice makeup. I bought this sponge foundation to try, and I love it, so next time I'm buying a big one. The only suggestion when you're buying it, just be careful about your face like tone, because it's very lightly toned, so go for darker like. But the it's such a small thing, but the quantity, like, you don't need a lot, and it's like spreading so nicely. And again, this is perfect for travel size. See, it's from Clio. I love it. If you never tried Korean makeup, just, you can buy this one to try. You don't need to buy a big one. And this, I bought this blush palette. Another great find. I love it. It seems like very pale colors, but in reality, they are very pigmented. And again, size is lovely. So lately, this is my favorite blush, and I'm taking it with me everywhere. I'm loving it. So, and another thing I always take with me when I'm traveling, it's called Nudestix. This is actually my daughter gave me as a present. I love it. It has a little mirror and doesn't do anything. But these 3 sticks, again, I can take this, I can take this palette and these 3 sticks, and that's it, and I'm done. And maybe a couple of brushes or a sponge. So this is blush. It's like a bronzer, and you can use it as a contouring stick, and a highlighter. That's it. And blush you can use as a lipstick, but I mean, you can take extra lipstick with you. Yeah, highly recommend. I know it's not the cheapest makeup, but I mean, if you like me and if you like to use makeup, highly recommend. Especially when you travel like on a Caribbean, you know, hot destination. I don't know about you. When you travel, like we just went on the Caribbean, you get a little bit of sun on your skin, and you don't need that much of a makeup. Just, you know, like a little not powder your nose and a little bit touch-ups and light lipstick, and you see and you look amazing. Like, for me, sun is the best makeup, but you have to be careful. That's why I always wear hat and I always wear sunscreen, but I like a little bit of sun color on my face. So, as I showed on my previous video, this is as a present from my daughter's wedding. But if you find something similar for your jewelry, I mean, I love it. It's a little bulky, but I like to take some jewelry with me, and like I said, I like bulky, like this, for example, bracelet. See, it takes lots of space. Or this ring. When I travel, I don't take anything expensive, just in case, you know. So I go to Temu, I buy some fun, you know, like rings, like chains, like ankle bracelets, for example, like this necklace. I love it, and I think it's nice and summery, and it's like you can wear it like swim in it. That's what I did, and it doesn't get bad or anything, because some of the Temu products, like they get bad really fast, like rings, if you or bracelet, if you like wash your hands, and it's immediately changing color, and it's not good. So, but I mean, it's like $1 or $2, it's okay. So what I like about this case, it has like space for your rings, for your earrings, and for your chain, and also some pockets for, like, you know, extra. And also, I mean, you can use it as a makeup case, or like me, I used it for my bulky bracelets. So there is another thing I bought some time ago, before I discovered Temu. I bought it on Amazon. I'm sure lots of you have something like that. And I love it. Look how many pockets there is. But you know what I found out? First of all, it's bulky, because when it's full, it's size like that. Second of all, I hardly use all of these pockets. But what is great about this thing, these pockets are removable. So for example, if you don't use all of them, you can remove 1 or 2 and it becomes thinner. Or what I do, I just use, for example, this one for my charging equipment. So I don't buy extra stuff for charging. Everything what I need for charging our phones, our, I don't know, like cameras, like we don't take with us a lot, but GoPro or something, it fits in this. And so I can use, like, maybe I used to use this for my makeup brushes, but now I got a new bag for it. So now I can use it for my, so if I don't take a lot of makeup with me, I don't need a big makeup case. So another tip from me, when you take a like big chunky thing like that, it takes a lot of space in your suitcase. Sometimes it's necessarily like in this case, but sometimes you can avoid it. So instead of taking like big makeup, chunky makeup case where you put all your makeup in it, what I do, I put Like here in one, I put, for example, my creams, my foundation, like my BB cream. In another, I put my lipsticks, my pencils, or, like if variety, right? And then you put this in a different places in a suitcase. That way you save, space, because when you take something chunky, you need to find special space in your suitcase. So this is another tip from me, how I like to pack. So, and there you have it. Tell me please in the comments, do you like makeup? And what kind of makeup do you use? So my kitty goes, he wants to lay on a pillow. What kind of makeup do you use? How you pack your makeup? How do you like to pack your makeup, and what do you use for it? Do you have something like that, for example? And if you have, do you like it or not? And if you don't, do you consider buying it? And if you like makeup, do you want me to continue showing what I have and what I like to use or to pack? So we're already planning our next cruise, but it's gonna be next year, so plenty of time to plan and to talk about it. Last year we traveled around South America. Let me know in the comments if you want me to talk about our travel to South America. You can check out all our videos somewhere here in the link, and I put the link below. There are vlogs about our travel in South America, and also in my next video probably, so let me know what you're more interested in. I want to talk about my packing to South America, because when you go there, you go through lots of climate changing, because we went in March. So in some places it was nice and warm, in some places it was like wintry cold, or like end of fall cold, because it was fall there. So you have to pack, like, not like you go to Alaska, you pack just, winter stuff, or you go to Caribbean, you pack your summer stuff. When you go around South America, you pack everything. So we went through that, and I think I made some smart decisions. So please let me know if you're interested in what particular, maybe you have some questions about this. I will be happy to answer. Don't forget to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel hacks. And until the next time, and keep sailing smoothly.